this is my charmate hot smoker to cold smoker conversion. It was sort of inspired by the work done by Joe and Zach's survivals. So, okay, this is going to be my cold smoker. I managed to pick up a charcoal hot smoker. It's a charmate charcoal hot smoker from Ida 10 for $40. Was on end of season sale. So, and at that price I can't even get the chrome grills here for that. So what I'm going to do is in the base, normally the charcoal bowl and water bowl sits there, but I'm going to get rid of that, and I've got a board I've made out of untreated pine, so there's no chemicals. So basically that's going to go in there, and then I'm going to drill a hole in the bottom, in the middle. It's a little bit difficult to do one-handed. Cool. So that should go in like so and seal up the bottom. And this is my old smoke generator. So that's the Venturi tube in the middle. Basically it just hooks up to a aquarium pump, or I've used it on the compressor, and at about 6 psi, and works a treat. So basically that's the old pipe that went in the middle. Everything is stainless. This is an old stainless coffee tin, which yeah, it's seen better days. So basically we cut that on a 45 and then tigged it together, and so that's going to go up in the middle in a minute. So I just got to silver solder this back together, and then yeah, see what happens. Get on there, you bastard. So that will sort of sit like that, and the smoke will hopefully go straight up into the chamber, and all the condensate will hopefully flow back down into the smoker and keep it smoking along nicely. So, and I've got a couple of air holes in the bottom. I used to have one on the side here, but what would happen is the sawdust only on that side would burn up, and the rest would just stay as is. So hopefully with some air holes in the bottom it will burn up through the entire stack rather than just taking a shortcut up the side. So we'll see how it goes. So I've just finished welding, silver brazing this up, and just make sure you check your stainless steel cans, because I don't know what this is, but it's a complete bastard to weld to. It doesn't seem to take nicely. So anywho, there's the inlet for the air. That's the spacing I've got down the top between the outer tube and the Venturi, and I've got three, don't know if you can see that, but three 3mm holes, and I've just brazed a couple of M6x6, it's probably M4, whatever, screws to the bottom just to keep it off the ground from smothering the air intakes. And so yeah, oh well, I'll drill the baseboard and see what happens. Right, so I've got the whole board in with a tapered step drill, so it's wider at the bottom than the top. So you can see there the steps. So what it means is when you put it all together, cool. You got enough angle to get the smoker in underneath, and so when you need to light it or check up on it, you can do so easy enough. So I've got my cell phone jammed up between some stones to keep it hopefully in place for this part of the video. So I've got the smoker filled up with Manuka sawdust, which is also I think called tea tree sawdust. It's really good for fish, pretty hopeless for anything else, but it's what I've got laying around, so I'll give it a crack and see if it works. So I've got basically 10 psi coming off the compressor, which goes into this blue line, which then goes into some aquarium hose, and then I have this valve which I can use to control the airflow into the smoker. So it seems to be going alright, so I'll jam it in and see what happens. So I'll just close up the smoker. Moment. So yeah, it seems to work reasonably alright. So I'll just lift the lid and see how it looks. So it's quite cold, dense smoke. Sits in the lid quite nicely.